Good day, everyone. I am Christian Kagampang, and today I will be representing our digital timeline about the 1970 to 1980s personal computing revolution. This period in computer history is very important because it marks the time when computers started becoming smaller, more affordable, and accessible to ordinary people rather than only large organizations or governments. In this presentation, I will guide you through the key developments and major milestones that shaped the personal computer industry during this era. Through this timeline, we aim to highlight how these technological innovations influenced modern computing and laid the foundation for the digital world we live in today. The timeline of personal computing revolution, we start at 1971, creation of the first microprocessor. The Intel 2004 was the first commercially available microprocessor. It integrated the central processing unit or CPU into a single chip, making computers smaller and more efficient. First, the importance: reduced computer hardware complexity, enabled compact designer designs, and lastly, it opened the path toward the microcomputers and personal computers. Next, 1975, the introduction of the Altair 8800. The Altair 8800 was one of the first successful microcomputers available to hobbyists and technology enthusiasts. It was sold as a build-it-yourself kit. The popularity of the Altair 8800 sparked interest in personal computing and inspired young programmers like Bill Gates and Paul Allen to develop software for the system. This development eventually led to the founding of Microsoft. Next, 1976, Apple Computer is founded. Apple was founded by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak with a goal of bringing computers to ordinary people. Their first product, the Apple I, was sold as a fully assembled motherboard that users could connect to a keyboard and monitor. This marked the beginning of Apple's role in shaping the personal computer industry. Next, 1977, expansion of the personal computer market. During this year, several influential personal computers were introduced, namely Apple II, Commodore PET, TRS-80. These computers were among the first systems designed specifically for everyday users rather than engineers or hobbyists. Its impact increased computer accessibility, introduced computing to households and schools, and lastly, it encouraged software development. Next, 1981, launch of the IBM personal computer. IBM introduced the IBM PC as its entry into the personal computer market. It quickly became one of the most influential computers ever created. The system used the operating system MS-DOS developed by Microsoft. Its significance, standardized PC architecture, encouraged development of compatible computers, and lastly, helped expand the personal computer market globally. Next, 1983, introduction of the Apple Lisa. The Apple Lisa was among the first personal computers to feature a graphical user interface. Instead of using text commands, users could interact with the system using icons and windows. This concept was influenced by research conducted at Xerox PERC. Next, 1984, launch of the Macintosh computer. The Macintosh popularized the graphical user interface and the use of the computer mouse. Key contributions: simplified computer interaction, expanded the personal computer market, and lastly, influenced future operating systems. And lastly, 1985, introduction of Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows introduced a graphical interface to IBM-compatible computers, making personal computers easier to use. Its impact: it improved user accessibility, supported multitasking environments, and lastly, became one of the most widely used operating systems globally. The unique highlight of this timeline: the birth of user-friendly computing. One of the most important developments during the personal computing revolution was the introduction of graphical user interfaces. This innovation allowed users to interact with computers through visual elements such as icons, menus, and windows instead of complex text commands. The development of GUI technology significantly increased the popularity of personal computers and made computing accessible to people without technical expertise. In conclusion, the 1970s to 1980s personal computing revolution transformed computers from large institutional machines into accessible devices used in homes, schools, and businesses. Innovations introduced by companies like Apple, IBM, and Microsoft created a foundation for modern computing systems. These advancements paved the way for later technological breakthroughs, including the internet, smartphones, and cloud computing. And that's all. Thank you for listening.